First question: the first chairman of the Odisha Public Service Commission (OPSC) is answer Samuel Das. Next question: the Odisha Public Service Commission came into being on answer 1st April 1949. Who is constituted for requirement to hire civil services in Odisha? Answer Odisha Public Service Commission (OPSC). Odisha Public Service Commission started functioning in the year answer 1949. The chairman and the member of the Odisha Public Service Commission (OPSC) are appointed by answer the Governor of Odisha. The chairman and the member of the Odisha Public Service Commission (OPSC) are removed by answer the President of India. Who appoints the State Election Commissioner? Answer Government of the state concerned. Who is appointed as the election officer at the district level? Answer the District Collector. Who is appointed presiding and polling officer to conduct election to the Panchayati Raj institution? Answer the election officer. In which year the Odisha Staff Selection Commission was set up? Answer 1994. The Odisha Staff Selection Commission is a answer statutory body. The Odisha Staff Selection Commission is located at answer Bhubaneswar. The chairman and the member of the Odisha Staff Selection Commission are appointed by answer the state government. When was the Odisha Administrative Tribunal established? Answer 14th July 1986. What is the term of the office of the State Election Commissioner? Answer 5 years or till the commissioner attains the age of the 65. Which authority conducts election to the Panchayati Raj institution and urban local bodies? Answer State Election Commission. Odisha Human Rights Commission started functioning from which year? Answer 2003. Who is the first chairperson of the Odisha Human Rights Commission? Answer Justice D.P. Mohapatra. Who appoints the chairperson of the Odisha Human Rights Commission? Answer the Governor of Odisha. Who chairs the committee for recommendation of named person to be appointed as chairperson and member of the OHRC? Answer Chief Minister. Who appoints the State Chief Information Commissioner of Odisha? Answer the Governor of Odisha. Who among the first Chief Information Commissioner of Odisha? Answer Professor P.N. Padhi. A person can be the Chief Information Commissioner till he attains the age of answer 65 age. The usual term of office of the State Chief Information Commissioner is answer 5 years. The Odisha State Commission on Women came into existence in which year? Answer 1993. Who nominates the chairperson and the member of the State Commissioner for Women Odisha? Answer the state government. Who is the first chairperson of the State Commissioner for Women Odisha? Answer Dr. Ranu Mishra. The Odisha State Commission for Backward Classes Act was made in which year? Answer 1993. Who is the first police commissioner of the Police Commissionerate of Cuttack and Bhubaneswar? Answer Binoy Kumar Behera. The Bhubaneswar Development Authority (BDA) came into existence on Answer 1983. The Cuttack Development Authority CDA came into existence on. Answer 1983. The Berhampur Development Authority BDA came into existence on. Answer 1983. Odisha Public Service Commission OPSC submits its annual report to. Answer the Governor of Odisha. Who appointed the officer and servant of a High Court? Answer the Chief Justice of the High Court. Who appoints the District Judge? Answer the Chief Justice of the High Court. Who is the first Advocate General of Odisha? Answer Swami Vichitrananda Das. Odisha Administrative Tribunal came into which year? Answer 1986. Acting Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by. Answer the President. Who became the first Chief Justice of the Odisha to be appointed as the Governor of the state? Answer Justice Gati Krishna Mishra. The former Chief Justice of India, Justice Ranganath Mishra, was the Chief Justice of Odisha from. Answer 1981 to 1983. Who is the Chief Justice of Odisha and also become the Chief Justice of India? Answer Justice Ranganath Mishra. In which year the High Court of Odisha celebrated its Golden Jubilee year? Answer 1998. Who was the Chief Justice of Odisha during national emergency? Answer Justice Gati Krishna Mishra. Justice Ranganath Mishra was the dash of the Chief Justice of India. Answer 21st. Justice Ranganath Mishra assumed the office of the Chief Justice of India in which year? Answer 1990. The salary of a judge of the High Court is charged upon. Answer the Consolidated Fund. Who was the Chief Justice of Odisha when India became a republic? Answer Justice Birakishore Rai. In which year the retirement age of the High Court judge was increased from 60 to 62? Answer 1963. The Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by. Answer President. Who inaugurated the High Court of Odisha? Answer Justice Hiralal J. Kania. In which year the first Circuit Court of Patna High Court was set up at Cuttack? Answer 8th May 1916. In which year judiciary was separated from executive control in Odisha? Answer 1960. A separate High Court for Odisha was inaugurated on. Answer 26 July 1948. The High Court of Odisha is located at. Answer Cuttack. Who is the first Chief Justice of Odisha? Answer Justice Birakishore Rai. Who had become the longest Chief Justice of Odisha High Court? Answer Justice R. Lakshman Narasimha. The judge of High Court can be removed by. Answer President of India. The process of the removal of the judge of the High Court is called. Answer impeachment. The headquarters of the Central Revenue Division of Odisha is located at. Answer Cuttack. Where is the headquarters of the Northern Revenue Division of Odisha located? Answer Sambalpur. Where is the headquarters of the Southern Revenue Division of Odisha located? Answer Berhampur. Which department of government is termed as Queen of all departments? Answer: Finance Department. Which of the following departments impeachment Pani Panchayat schemes in Odisha? Answer: Water Resources. The first Director General of Police of Odisha is. Answer: N. Swai. Who is the Chief Secretary of Odisha after independence? Answer: Sri B.C. Mukherjee. Who is the Chief Secretary of Odisha during national emergency? Answer: Sri V.S. Mathew. Economic Survey Report of Government of Odisha is published by which department? Answer: Planning and Coordination. ICDS program is implemented under the supervision of which department? Answer: Health and Family Welfare. Who was the Chief Secretary of Odisha to be appointed as the chairman of the OPSC? Sri L.I. Parija. Who is the first Odia to become the member of the Board of Revenue? Answer: S.M. Patnaik. In which year the Harijan and Tribal Welfare Department renamed as the ST and SC Department? Answer: 1995. Biju Patnaik became the Chief Minister of Odisha first time in which year? Answer: 1961. Who is the first Odia to hold the office of the Revenue Commissioner of Odisha? Answer: L.I. Parija. Who is the head of a division? Answer: Revenue Divisional Commissioner. In India, a three-tier panchayat is envisaged for state which have a population above. Answer: 20 lakh. The first municipal corporation in India was set up in which year? Answer: 1687. The panchayatas in Odisha are. Answer: 3-tier. The normal duration of the panchayat in Odisha is. Answer: 5 years. Who appoints the State Finance Commission? Answer: the Governor. What is the minimum age required to contest a panchayat election in India? Answer: 21 age. What is the next Sarpanch in a Grama Panchayat? Answer: Naib Sarpanch. Madhusudan Pension Yojana was launched in. Answer: 2008. What is the amount given to the beneficiaries under the Madhubabu Pension Yojana? Answer: 200. What is the minimum age to be beneficiary under Madhubabu Pension Yojana? Answer: 60 age. Under Madhubabu Pension Yojana, a widow entitled to avail the pension must be above. Answer: 60 years. The number of municipal corporation in Odisha is. Answer: 3 municipal corporation. The chairman of a Jilla Parishad in Odisha is. Answer: indirectly elected by the people. Who is the executive officer of the Jilla Parishad in Odisha is. Answer: district collector. The chairman and vice chairman may resign his office by writing under his hand address to. Answer: the state government. Who is the executive officer of the Jilla Parishad? Answer: collector. What is the head of the municipal corporation called? Answer: mayor. Bhubaneswar became a municipal corporation in which year? Answer: 1994. In which year the Panchayat Extension to Scheduled Areas Act or PESA was passed in the Parliament? Answer 1996. Who is the presiding authority of the governing body of the District Rural Development Agencies? Answer Chairman of the Jilla Parishad. Who is the writer of the book Odiya Bhagavata? Answer Jagannath Das. Who is called Raktatirtha of Odisha? Answer Iram. Who is called Matsyatirtha of Odisha? Answer Duduma. Who is called Biraja Khetra of Odisha? Answer Jajpur. Who is called Somatirtha of Odisha? Answer Ranipur Jharial. Who is called Utkalamani of Odisha? Answer Gopabandhu Das.